there is a chance to find trouble. And so that this is highly protected. Highly protected means when this one leak, the alarm will give you. If any leak, the alarm will give you. That is the sensor, you see. That sensor will give you alarm. If this one leak, you see there. This one. You see there is upside there is no sensor, but here only upside sensor. Downside there is no. Here only downside. Why? This one have the mass of the air. Every air have its weight. That is known as mass. Mass of mass of this gas is less than the normal air. So when it leaks, it will go up because less mass. It will go up. But here in this gas, propan only, the mass of propan is more than normal gas. So this leaking time, it will go down. So the sensor is downside. This will not go up. This when there is some leak, the gas will go down. So we fix this sensor downside. Anybody ask, you should explain like that. Why? Maybe they know everything. They will ask you, oh, why the sensor is down. Then you can say this, the mass of this gas is higher than normal air. So leaking time, this gas will go down. So the sensor is downside. The same. The sensor. Yeah. All flammable gas are a leaking sensor. The leaking sensor will give you alarm. The last room there is one control and it will give alarm. Okay. This is the gas we are using here.